Am I gonna fit in here? Can you even see me? Can you see me now? Hi! Welcome to Honest Bee by G. I'm G. Hello! It's so big! Hey everyone, welcome to Honest Bee by G. I'm G, where we review everything eco-friendly and cruelty-free, and if you want to look for more sustainable ways to change around your life, I have the most perfect product for you, and that is a review of my very first Causebox. So stay tuned, and we're going to talk about everything sustainability and eco-friendly and how we can do that in a pinch. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm so excited to have you. I am basically your one-stop shop for everything clean and cruelty-free beauty, skincare, and sustainable living products. Long story short, I do all the research, test all the ingredients, and then I give you my honest feedback and reviews and recommendations to help you make the switch to a cleaner lifestyle much easier. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a nice big thumbs up so that I know that you're interested in this content and that you can stay up to date on all my latest videos and content. So maybe you haven't heard of Causebox, but most likely you've heard of some other subscription boxes like FabFitFun, Ipsy, and BoxyCharm, where basically you pay a certain rate and every month or every season they're going to send you a box of certain curated gifts that are along the lines of whatever that brand is trying to push. And I've never really been a fan of subscription boxes because even though you can save a lot of money on getting these products, I typically am never going to like all the products and they're just going to be going to waste because they're not going to be cruelty-free. I'm going to be allergic to it. I don't support the brand. I don't like the company. I don't like how it treats people. I might use child labor. Maybe it's got really toxic ingredients. It might really not be eco-friendly. I might be allergic to it. I could just be throwing out and wasting my money. I could be really wasteful with products. There's a million reasons why I really don't like these things. So when I first stumbled upon Causebox, I was originally turned off by the thought of having a subscription box. And then when I looked into it, I realized it's basically me in a box, which is amazing. Other subscription boxes where, let's take Ipsy for example, that gives you lots of sample sizes of makeup. You can't really pick and choose the items that you want. And if I'm getting a ton of items that aren't cruelty-free in, what's the point for me? Because I'm not going to use it and it's really, really wasteful. I'm just going to throw it in the trash or give it to my mom who will never use it. So it just never seemed worth it to me. That is until I learned about Causebox. And what I really love about Causebox is their whole point is that they offer you an entire box of sustainable, eco-friendly, and cruelty-free, fair trade, handmade artisan objects that maybe you would have never thought to look into, and I think it's really fantastic. I'm so excited to find this box because it's basically everything I stand for and every type of product that I love, and then I'm really delving into and researching all in a box, and it makes all that research so much better. So I say even if you're new to sustainability or you're an expert level, I think this box is worth it because they're going to show you all new brands maybe you've never heard of, and you're going to get all new products maybe you've never tried, and it's really going to open your eyes up to the possibilities of sustainable, eco-friendly, female-owned, cruelty-free, all the good stuff that we love here all in one box. So let's open it up. I'm so excited. Okay. As a disclaimer, this is not sponsored. I was not given anything for free. I paid with this for my own money, and I'm just really excited to share it with you guys because I know I love it and I know that you're gonna love it too. This is the box, and they usually hire a local female artist to design the box. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Okay, one of the first things that I like about this box is they come with this little magazine. Basically it says, our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone on the little back here. And then it looks like in here's an article talking about fair trade and child labor and unlivable wages and how they only work with companies that can promise not to use or exploit women or children or workers to make cheaper products, which I think is really fantastic and something I'm really working hard on changing. Okay, so something I really like is they talk about the certifications that they have for their stuff. I'm not sure if you can really see this, but they have the USDA Organic, Fair Trade Certified, Leaping Bunny Cruelty-Free Certified, the FCS Certified for the Forest Stewardship Council Certification, for deforestation, and B Corporation, making sure that businesses are committed to transparency and maintain rigorous standards to balance purpose and profit. These are all really great ethical standards, and I appreciate anyone that puts these into practice, and that's what's really great about Causebox. Your other things like BoxyCharm, Ipsy, FabFit, they're not doing that. So they had this really cute postcard and art that they put in it. I did research and find that every box has one of these, so it's a cute little postcard. I'm probably gonna frame this because I'm selfish and I really want this because it's really cute. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the biggest, baddest boy in the bunch, and this is actually the item that made me buy the Causebox. Here it is! Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. She's so pretty. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device, and this is all silicone based, so it's antimicrobial. You might think of some facial scrubs and those like Clarisonic ones that have the bristles, and those are actually really, really bad on your skin and can create little micro abrasions that can let in bacteria, and this is going to cause you to break out more. But the material that this is made out of and its ability, instead of spinning, it kind of vibrates and it gets really deep into your pores for a really, really, really deep cleanse. And I've been really excited to try this. I'm always into skincare tools, and some things I think are kind of silly or they're just pseudoscience. I have read so many great things about this. I know this product on its own, I believe, is worth $100, and this box alone, for your very first box, I think costs about $25 or $30. So in the booklet, it says it helps firm your skin while it cleans, and it does have a $99 value, which is insane. So that is the PMD Clean. I'm really excited, and this came in either navy, pink, or I think aqua. I just went with the pink because I like pink, I guess. Why not? Okay, I've been wanting this for so long, so I'm actually really excited that this came in here because I don't know why I wasn't buying it for myself, but I just wasn't, but now I already did. These are the silicone lids that go on different items, so you can put them over a ceramic bowl or you can put it over the fruit itself. This is going to help you cut down on your use of plastic or wax paper or tin foil if you're putting things that you want back in your refrigerator to be covered, even something on your countertop that you want to have a covering, and it's all made out of silicone. Once again, just like the PMD, silicone is antimicrobial, so it's not gonna get all that gunk and funk on it, and they're completely reusable. The other great thing about these is this is gonna help you reduce any kind of food waste. This is gonna keep your food fresher, longer, and this is going to help you preserve anything that's in your fridge and use less plastic. So you're reducing plastic and you're reducing waste, which is really fantastic. A little bit over $1 a lid. Ooh. Okay, moving on. So next is the Wyld Konjac Facial Cleansing Sponge, infused with French pink clay. So it's nice and coarse, and I'm sure when you wet it, it feels a little bit better. With something like this, oh, it's even got like a little string so I can hang it. That's kind of cute. So this is an exfoliator sponge, and it's handmade in France, which is pretty cool. It's completely biodegradable. I would probably use this in the shower when I'm shaving, on my arms, on my back, and on my legs to get a little bit of a deeper exfoliation, but I would not use this on my face. And that goes back to what I just said about the PMD Clean, is something with a rougher surface like this can cause little micro tears on your face and let in bacteria. On the rest of your body, it's a much thicker skin and it can handle it a little bit better. But I think this is really great for in the shower. And I think it's gonna be really good for getting that nice, clean, smooth shave on your legs, or sometimes I know I get like little dry patches on my back, or if you get a little back knee or something like that, this is really good to just kind of buff it out and clean it all up and get rid of any dry, gross skin. Next in the box. Shut up, bro. What are you doing in the box? How'd you get in there? How'd they know? How did they know we wanted a bunny? How did they know? Oh. Okay, we've got 2 more items, so let's see. Okay, we have another skincare. So this says Say Hi to Hydration, Grace and Stella. What a fabulous name. I mean, wow, Grace. So beautiful, right? This is the hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. Let's double check the ingredients. Okay, so I'm definitely not allergic to it. I had no idea that this item was coming. It was not customizable, so this is a complete surprise. I have used Grace and Stella before, and I do really like their products, and I can tell you that they are MSB by G approved and cruelty free. It looks like it's completely vegan. The whole box is recyclable, which is really great. So let's take this out and see. This is so pretty. Okay, I love gold, so I'm a sucker for gold. And it's a nice glass bottle, which makes me really happy, which means it's biodegradable and a lot nicer than plastic. This feels really high quality. Okay. So it looks like this is just a really nice hyaluronic acid serum, nice and smooth. It's not really thick like some other ones. I usually use the Naturium one, and this one is a lot lighter, so I put this on near the beginning of your skincare routine. So I am definitely excited to try this. All right, so last, we have this beautiful straw tote from AltCooking, and each one was specialty made only and exclusively for Causebox members, which is really, really cool. And what's really neat about this is each one supports ocean conservation efforts, which is really fantastic. And if you've been watching my channel, you know I'm really, really into conserving the ocean reefs and marine life. And I also have an entire video dedicated to it about what sunscreens to use, and I'll put a little link right up here so you can fast track over to that if you haven't seen it. This bag feels so nice and high quality. It says it's an $8 value, but it looks and feels a lot more expensive. And this is so cute. This is a perfect little pool bag or beach bag. Just going around town bag. Super fun and cute. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. Probably like a good little makeup bag too. So what I love about the point of Causebox is that you're gonna find all new sustainable options that you probably never even knew existed. They're not getting a lot of sponsorships. They're not paying to be shown on advertisements on Instagram. They don't have commercials out or anything. And this is a really great way to say, oh my gosh, I never knew that there was a sustainable option for that. Like, I don't know. I didn't know that there was like a sustainable little scrubby. Like, that's so great. And now I don't have to worry about what I'm using in the shower. And that way you're not going on something like Amazon and buying those really cheap scrubbers that are probably made out of plastic and then they're just gonna sit in landfill for like 500 years, which is gross. And now I can use little fun tools without feeling guilty. So I'm gonna read a little quote from their website because I think that they explain it the best and much better than I can about what exactly their mission, their goal, and what their boxes are about. So it says, "We are a community-focused, ethically made, and environmentally conscious for women and impact-driven. Every time you spend your money, you are casting a vote for the kind of world you want. At Causebox, we believe your membership casts a vote for a better world where people and the planet are considered over profits," which I think is so beautiful. They worded that much better than I did. And like I keep saying, and like I said in some of my other videos, every single day you're voting with your dollar, and every single time you spend a dollar, you are supporting that brand. And sometimes we're supporting these brands that use things like child labor or animal abuse or testing on animals, or not giving fair wages. They're abusive to their women, not giving fair wages, not giving a livable wage to their employees. And this is something that needs to come to the light more, and every single time we spend a dollar in the right direction and we're supporting these brands, we're saying that this is important to us and this is the standard that we shouldn't be praising. It should be the norm. And we want to highlight more companies that Causebox is trying to introduce us to and say, this is what I want, this is what I'm willing to spend money on. And I think that's really fantastic. And it gets even better from there. After your subscription and after you receive your box, about a week later, there's something called the add-on market. And for a select amount of days, I believe it's 11 days, you get anywhere from 30 to 80% off of certain products, but you have to act quick because they sell out like that. So I'm gonna play with all of my goodies, and I'm probably gonna do a check-in in maybe a month or two, and especially when I get all of my add-on market items, so I can let you know how I liked everything, how I'm liking the subscription box. And if you really enjoyed this video, like I said, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up because you are letting me know that you're enjoying this content, and then I can keep doing more unboxing of other Causeboxes that come in the future. I have my 1-year subscription, and I'm really excited to see what the next box has. So if you really enjoyed this, please make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let Junie know what a great job she did today. She's hiding, but she's giving me little kisses. And remember, the goal here is just to help you find more sustainable and cruelty-free options to try to make that transition just a little bit easier. guilt-free, and really enjoyable, and so that you can find all the best products and what's worth it, what's not, what's a good price, what isn't, and how we can help make this world just a little bit better, a little safer, and a little friendlier for all of our cute, fluffy, scaly, feathered friends out there, and just so that we can have a cleaner, better earth. So I hope you guys had a great time. I know I did. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button to let Jenny know what a great job she did. Thanks everyone, bye!